Alright guys, back here with another video, testing AMSOIL stuff. We got the heavy duty degreaser. They do make an engine degreaser, but it's just specifically for that. This is more like everything concrete. We're gonna do it on these rims. These things leak a little bit. But yeah, this is more like a universal. It does do engine, like on the description it does say engine, so right now this is what we got. We're gonna put it up what they say is the best stuff, gum cutter, and we're gonna see how it does. So one here on the wheel, we got a little section here, and then up in here we got some more. I guess we'll start with the gum cutter and see how this goes. I'm just gonna spray her down pretty good, which it washed the dirt right away. But let's see how it pulls this grease off. There's still some in there on the inside of the rim edge, but it's dried out because that stuff's like brake clean kind of. It just dries out after a little bit. So now we're gonna go to the heavy duty degreaser, which we don't have another brand degreaser to put it up against. That's why we're using gum cutter. So I'm just gonna spray a little bit on there.
It smells good.
Yep, smells like oranges, citrus. And then paper towel and just wipe. I brought it off pretty good. And as you can tell, as I'm refolding my towel here, it's not dried yet. It's still on there cutting away. And then just come right back.
Oh, that's cleaning up really nice.
Yeah.
Let me get it.
Compared to that side, there's still grease in there, which, I mean, I tried to wipe, but it won't come out compared to that side.
Everything from grease to tar. So there you have it. The AMSOIL degreaser beat the gum cutter, the 2+2 gum cutter.
Alrighty. I'll put the link to the Facebook in the description, as long as our website. We got a website for AMSOIL stuff and one just for TR wrenching. We might be doing, I think I said this in the last video, giveaway on Facebook. We just haven't got the complete details into it, but that will be coming here soon. We also got some more inventory inside, so we'll have to, maybe we'll do a video on that kind of stuff here soon.
We'll give one more review.
And then we also have some more products, new products that we just got in, and some more to test. We actually I brought my 4-wheeler over. Can't really see it. We're gonna tear it down, clean it up. So we'll be using like the chain lube, and some other stuff we got from AMSOIL in it. We'll see how it does. We might be making some videos with tearing that down and cleaning it up. So stay tuned.